You got the key in it? That's the wrong key.
It says 67. I got
Fair lane.
no one.
Come on, old man. You can't put a fair lane key in it. That's for this one, folks. Going through the graveyard. All right, folks, the hood's already up. Can it be revived? Is there any revival? Is there any resurrection? All right, Daddy, how long has it been since?
It's been at least 10 years.
At least 10 years. In our translation, that could mean 20 years. All right, y'all, here it is, 351 2-barrel. We have dropped the battery in it just to see, but let's make sure it's not locked up first.
Oh, belt's too loose.
I've already done that. Belt's a little loose.
Oh! No, it's not locked up.
Y'all see it? It's turning a little bit. It's got a little catchy spot in it. Oh, we probably should lube up the...
Oh, well. It turned some.
It turned some.
And we ain't got no battery post cleaner. I guess that's the hot one. Do you see the... Nope, that must be the negative one.
Yeah, that's negative. This is hot.
Heck, I better turn the battery around.
Turn the battery around, Diddy. Your back's hurting, my back's hurting.
Oh! Okay, now we know these ain't clean. I know that ain't. It's gonna be hard making a contact. It is a new battery.
All right, so let's don't do anything right yet. Let's talk about it a minute. All right, y'all, here we are. This is a 1967 F100 pickup truck with a 351 2-barrel. We just turned it maybe a centimeter, so we know that it's not locked up. The crank gear actually at the bottom actually turned some. We did put a newish battery in it. We've got some gas, so we're gonna undo the carburetor here in just a minute. I guess the old man is gonna try to do it anyway. But we got a little help for it. So I think the old truck is well worth trying to bring back to life. Of course, this channel, that's what it's gonna be about, trying to bring old things that have no use, that are dead and gone, and bring them back to life. All right, everyone, do you think there's gonna be any rat turds or rat nest? Oh, wow, nothing but a little water.
Yeah, full of water.
Ugh. Look at there, hold on before you move it. Look at there. Oh, isn't that pretty? All right, don't dump it in. Did it go into the... All right, here's a little motor. This has got to be a newer motor. He dumped all that out because it's got a 72 Windsor on it. Well, we got to take that off.
No, you ain't.
Well, I'm gonna try to.
Well, you just want to turn it over first.
Yeah, we want to see, but I want to make sure the carburetor's not all busted up. All right, let's see. Oh, it's just a little gummy.
Don't.
Ooh, I don't need a rebuild.
Don't force it too much. Don't leave it wide open if it does.
It ain't wide open. That's wide open. That's wide open.
No, backwards is off.
Nope.
That's about half.
Forward, Daddy, I rebuild carburetor now. Simmer down. Forward is off. All right, hold on. We're not doing anything yet. Let's, all right, so what are we doing now?
We're going, I guess, see if it'll even turn over if we got good enough contact on the battery and the solenoid.
All right, so you're going to get in it, turn the key, and we're going to sit out here and see. Hold on, one. You got the key in it?
For some reason.
That's wrong key.
It says 67. I got
fair lane.
No one.
Come on, old man. You can't put a fair lane key in it. That's for this one, folks.
67.
67 okay. Truck. You're putting the old fair lane key in, it won't go. Let's make sure the old man gets the key in it. All right, hold on. Oh, here we go. First. Oh! It is cranking over, folks. Do it one more time. All right, y'all, we have done absolutely nothing. This revival is going to happen. This revival is going to crank. I can already tell you, it is a Ford. It's a 351 2-barrel. It's got regular fuel. It's actually a 70 model Ford truck with a 72 model carburetor and a 67
You want to film me
Ford.
Putting gas in a...
Hold on, let's make sure we get all the goody Mountain Dew out. Mellow Yellow, actually, that's my favorite drink. So we're gonna put a new gas tank on it. We have to put a new gas tank on it. It's gonna need a new gas tank, and we want to do this little plastic one here. Let's don't waste all of our gas out of our kerosene jug. All right, so we're gonna pour a little bit of fuel down her throat, and then he's gonna hit it one more time. That's enough. All right, do we think we'll see any, will there be any flames coming out? Can anybody back there see? Let's see, turn it over. All right, no, hold on, sound like we're not getting any spark.
Take the,
hold on, I will. Huh?
Take the center coil wire out.
You got something to see if we're getting fire? You gotta
you hold it and see if it's sparking.
I'll let you hold it. Hold on. You got a
You got the camera, boy.
I know I got the camera. Let's see. Do you have a screwdriver?
No, you don't need it. Just put it close by the hole.
All right.
Not that hole, the hole.
No.
All right, put your fingers on it.
Hold on. We're losing fuel. Its fuel pump works. It's already squirting gas out of the
Well, if that's happening, that ain't no good.
Well, I know it ain't good.
Because that gas has got to be old.
Yep. But let's hold on. Come on out here. Let's diagnose it first.
So we don't know if the points is firing, but we got to see if we're getting fire to it first. So that ain't going to help. Well, go ahead, take it off, see if we got fire in there. Let me get my key out. You get it off?
Yep.
Okay, let's see if the points is, look down in there and see if they're firing any. No, we ain't got no fire in the points.
All right, well, let me get the button off.
We ain't got no fire in the points. So
all right, the button needs a little...
to be sanded. That's just that. You got to sand the points. That ain't gonna help you.
Well, no, you still want the button to work.
Well, wait a minute. I got to turn the switch on first.
Yeah, if you ain't even got the ignition on, it's not gonna fire at the points.
You gotta be careful. I see yellow jackets flying around here.
Don't worry about no yellow jackets till they bite me.
Okay, I'm gonna take my key, see if the points
All right, let's
is
look
firing.
really close. Oh, I seen spark. I seen fire. Did you see fire? I seen fire off.
Oh, I felt it. I felt it in my elbow.
All right, y'all. We know we've got fire. The points need to be sanded because it didn't seem to be firing when we was turning it over.
Let me turn it over and see if you can see it sparking.
All right, y'all.
That don't mean the coil is working.
No.
Is it sparking?
Keep going. Yes, it's sparking around it. So we know the coil is working. It's breaking, it's setting a ground, which is breaking the ground, which is causing it to spark. But
you're gonna have to get sandpaper, so go ahead and turn it off unless you want to film me going into this shop.
Button looks okay. All right, y'all. We're gonna make our way now into the shop. All right, y'all, I wonder if we can find anything in this shop. We're gonna go in. If you think the graveyard is awesome, we actually built this in 94, and we were finishing it when we were flooding out. We were flooded out. We actually had to live in here, and we never got lights installed. Dun, dun, dun.
So I gotta turn my flashlight on to try to find some sandpaper in here.
Does anybody see anything up under that pile of mess? Can anybody see anything right there? Can you see another car? What is it?
64 two-door post.
Daddy just told you what it is.
You asked, I told you.
Flashlight.
I know nobody can see it to tell.
Flashlight is on.
And we're hunting sandpaper. And none in this area. So.
All right, y'all, there she is. 64 post.
289.
289, got an air conditioner car. They were working on it a little bit. Fairlane 500, 64. Been taped up a little bit, so still a good looking ride. Could be a good looking ride. Revival project. Got a few extra fuel tanks here. See that? We need to weed eat a little bit. There's a little special weed eater. Still hadn't found out of all this. You can't find.
Found some sandpaper.
We got some sandpaper.
He was too scared to walk back here.
Something jumped out at me. You might have heard old Rev squeal. All right, y'all. We're going to sand the points. Didn't seem like it was firing. I'm sure those spark plug wires are really, really good.
Oh, let me turn the switch on.
It might beat him again. I could have unplugged the battery.
All right. It's easier to turn the switch off. Open them up.
All right, y'all. We're just gonna sand the points. We don't have them. We don't have a feeler gauge or anything like that.
I bent a piece of sandpaper.
You're supposed to be able to use a dollar bill to be able to set your points to the
Matchbox cover.
Matchbox cover, something a little bit better. Or you can take a dollar bill and fold it in half, and that should be about the right spacing that you need for these old points and condensers to fire. We really don't know. Remember earlier in the last video, we found some points that was on the side of the truck. So these may be new points and whatever I just said.
Points and condenser.
That's right.
But it's already bit me, but that don't mean the points is firing. That means we could have had just power going to through the wires here. So we're hoping sanding these things will get us a better part.
Yep, we saw a little fire. So you gonna turn it over?
Nope, I'm on. Well, I'll turn it over to see if it's firing. See if you can see it.
Yes, yes. It looked like it was all firing. I mean, all that sand was all firing to, I mean, it was firing like crazy.
All right, I'm gonna take sandpaper and sand the point.
Sanding the buttons.
The rotary button. And then I will
the inside look.
Ooh, wait, okay.
Ooh, it's pumping. All right.
Put that into there.
Right. Isn't this awesome? Look at here, y'all. We have a plastic bottle right by the ignition system, and we just lost our gas tank. All right, so we have that. So we could, let's fill the bowl up. Let's take these off and fill the bowl up. Yeah, come on. Hold on, we're gonna fill the bowl up in right 1 second. By the way, when you get back, this bowl is gonna be full and we're gonna hear what it's gonna sound like. All right, y'all, this is an old Motorcraft carburetor. So this is a 72T, so 72 truck carburetor. It still has the nameplate. Some people call them rebuild plates, but they come original with that so that you know what you have. The Venturis,
don't drop it.
All different kind of things, and my dad's telling me not to drop it. All of these things are put on there originally. Some have rebuilds where they have actually a rebuild sticker on it.
Gotta get the pliers.
I got it.
The pliers take the name.
I know, I'm just tapping this.
Where did I lay them? There they are on the radiator.
You just had them.
They're in the radiator.
All right, so gotta get this off.
Turn the pliers the other way. All right, do you have a screw on the back of this one? Some of them do, some of them don't.
No.
So that's the only thing holding the backing down?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, there we go. So the needle and seat is full of something. So we want to get all that dirty, nasty gas out.
This is off.
See this?
It's,
it's not off. This screen goes bad. All right, y'all see all of that? So we can clip that needle and seat out and get all of that out. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I don't know what he did with his flathead. There it is. So we can go here and squeeze that over. And then when we get that over, this hole, that can come out. Man, that gas in there looks great. Tony the Tiger gas. Woo. All right, needling seat there. All of that. I don't know if you can see it, but boy, that's pretty. So if we get all that gas out, put good gas in it, maybe hear it idle for a minute. All right, so we're doing, this is very official. This is the best way to actually get all the gas out. What you jumping for?
I ain't jumping.
Lord, I thought a yellow jacket done got him. So this rag is going to be up for auction on Reverend Resale's eBay store. Not really.
And I get the profit.
Oh my goodness.
Let me strain it.
Yep. Hold on. Give me your light. Put your light on your cell phone and let's see the bottom of this carburetor. Anybody want to see the bottom of that carburetor? Ooh, look at that gum. I don't know if it'll ever get through the bottom of those holes. This is a rebuild for countertop carbs, but let's see if we can fill it with some gas. I don't know.
You gotta put the,
I'm gonna put it all back in there.
put the needle all in it, or it's gonna run down in it.
I will.
It'll run down in the motor. And
Simmer down, old man. I got this. I call him old man. That's a term of endearment.
And I taught him everything he knows, so he don't know much.
Yeah, you got that right. All right, needling seat is in.
You need more gas?
No, not yet.
Filling it up.
All right, he's gonna flood it out because it's. All right, that's it.
Float's floating good. So.
And I don't think the jets. I don't even know if the carburetor is gonna work at all, but let's turn it over anyway. All right, y'all, it fired.
I pour gas in it.
Yep, is this more gas?
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh, that's...
Woo! I flooded it. All right, y'all, hold on 1 second, Diddy.
I'm gonna try to control the foot.
All right, well, I don't, it's, keep going. Look at that beautiful gas that is pumping out. Anything through it.
Woo, you talking about brown.
That is like some strong whiskey. I'll give you $20, Daddy.
I wouldn't even stick my tongue to it.
Oh my gosh, does it taste like gas?
Yeah, it tastes like gas and smells like soured gas.
Look at that, y'all. I don't know if you can see down in there. That's yummy.
Looks like a Coca-Cola, still in the Coca-Cola bottle.
That looks like the mix between tea. It would be, that's Jackson Lightning right there. That would fire, man. That'd foul out my spark plugs if I tried that. All right, y'all, we're gonna hit it one more time and see if she'll crank, and then I'm probably gonna have to take the carburetor home with me. Oh, oh my goodness, just pumping the tea out.
Redneck wheelers. Let's put a little more white lightning in it.
All right, got the old man running. Will she fire up? Will she crank and run? Yo, it is, I don't hear, we haven't, you know what we haven't done?
Pour some more gas in.
Hold on. Let me do something. Oh, Daddy.
We're just not getting gas through the carburetor.
It's got water. No.